In this video, we are going to see how to install an MDT license. First, once we have created our user account in the private area, we will access it to download MDT according to our license type. We will select the MDT version we want to download and select the correct license number if we have more than one. We will go to the latest full version and click the download button. We will click download again and wait for the download to finish. Once the download is complete, we will go to the Downloads folder, or the folder we selected, and completely extract the contents. This step is very important to ensure that the installation completes correctly and without errors. We will open the resulting folder and run Setup as administrator. We will select the installation language and continue. At this point, we will make sure that the installation correctly detects the installed CAD version. If it does, we will continue with the installation. Once the installation is complete, we will launch MDT using the shortcut created on the desktop. In the license activation form, we will enter the user details we use to register in the private area, along with the activation string or EID received by email. Once the license has been activated, we will wait for CAD to open and for the MDT application to be registered correctly. We will go to the MDT menu and then to About. We will wait for the license window to appear. We can now use MDT.